What's up guys? So today I just want to show you something that's up. I'm not sure if it's the cassette or the hub, but if I hold the back brake and if you can see, I can actually move the tire back and forth. So this is moving by itself, which is kind of strange. I'm not sure if loose bearing in the hub but there's quite a, it could move about maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches. Just want to know what the deal is. If you could leave a comment down below, I'd appreciate that. Hopefully it's nothing that I have to replace, but let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.